Hello, everybody. Welcome back for week 16 of PE. I hope that you had some great time last week shopping with us. I hope that you had the opportunity to shop online. I know that here at school, all our classes, we had a great time. The kids really enjoyed going through and selecting gifts for family and friends. So hopefully you had a good time looking at the things and hopefully had an opportunity to shop. If not, that's okay. Hopefully you have an opportunity at another time to shop for family and friends. So this week and next week, we are going to move on to the skills of chasing, fleeing, and dodging. And if you've been with us at school in the years past, this is oftentimes everybody's favorite time of the year. So this often leads us into our capture unit. So this week, you are going to do for your warm up, you're going to be doing this dance, Run, Run, Rudolph Christmas dance. So something a little bit different than we normally see where we're doing Would You Rather or this or that. So a little dance that you can follow along to the song of Run, Run, Rudolph. And then after that, you are going to click on what does chase, flee, and dodge mean? So in this video, they're going to be explaining to you, she's going to explain to you exactly what it means when you are chasing, when you are fleeing, and when you are dodging. What exactly that means and what it looks like. So once she explains it to you, oftentimes at home, chasing, fleeing, and dodging can be very hard to do when you're at home because if you don't have somebody else with you, right, to play with, it's hard to chase them or flee from them or try to dodge them. So, if you have an opportunity and you have somebody at home that can practice with you on those skills, that's great. If not, no problem. I've included a couple different activities that you can do by yourself and still kind of work on those skills of chasing, fleeing, and dodging. Those are three skills that we really do almost every day in our lives. Anytime we play tag, anytime we do capture, where we're trying to get an object from the other team's side, you're working on those three skills. So if you have somebody after watching the video and having a better understanding of what that means, if you have an opportunity to go outside and work on those skills, great. If not, I've included two different activities that you can work on to better yourself and have a better understanding of those skills. So as we look at your standards for this unit, we are going to, I'll come back to those here in just a second. So let's see here. So as we look at the standards for this unit, kindergarten, you are working on learning to move in a variety of ways in relation to others. So when we're doing our capture game, we are learning about staying on our own side. We are learning about that when people are in our way or obstacles are in our way. How do we dodge them? How do we move so that we do not run into them and have an accident and get hurt? First grade, you are learning how to chase, flee, and dodge to avoid or catch others. In second grade, we are learning to chase, flee, and dodge to avoid or catch others while maneuvering around obstacles. So in your activities today, you are going to be doing the following activities. The Snow Ninja Challenge. In this activity, right, you are going to be doing some different movements to avoid different things that you see in the challenge. So as you go through, you will have the opportunity to do some chasing, fleeing, and dodging. And then once you complete that, you're going to click on this one, and this gives you an opportunity to get some things together at home in which you can practice the actual skill of dodging and how to dodge correctly and this gives you an opportunity to practice that skill at home. So those are the three the skills that we're going to work on this week: chasing, fleeing, and dodging. And then the two activities to follow up to that to make sure that you have an understanding of those skills and how to do those skills. And then next week, we will continue with chasing, fleeing, and dodging, working on those skills. Again, if you have the opportunity to go out in your front yard or backyard with another person, parent, sibling, family member, friend, and practice those skills, that's going to be even better. But if not, I have attached some activities that you can do to still practice those skills. All right, so that'll wrap it up for PE this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Hope you have a great day here at PE and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.